Hi everybody! How are you today? So this is Miss BLG again. Welcome to my live today. So I'm gonna share to you more about the Ferreste Beauty. So isi-share ko po sa inyo guys, no? Tungkol sa Ferreste Beauty na ito. Kasi proven and tested ko talaga siya. No? Ginagamit ko po siya ngayon. Papakita ko din po sa inyo yung loob. Okay? At napakabango nito. So, i-share ko sa inyo one by one para alam nyo kung ano nga ba si Ferreste Beauty. Yan. Okay? Share ko sa inyo guys. So, ayan. First, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman, no, ng ating Ferreste Beauty. So, ayan. Nakita nyo yung Ferreste sa gilid ko. So, ayan, pinakita ko sa inyo. And of course, this one, no? So, lalagyan pa lang, makasosyal na, no? Social ang lalagyan. And napakabango nito, guys, no? Nobody compares to other products. Sa lahat ng products, sa lahat ng beauty products na na-try ko, ito ang pinakamabango. Kaya i-try nyo na, okay? So, ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo one by one. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Bago siya, binili ko sa office. Ayan, bukas na siya. So, we have the... Ayan. So, syempre, yung mga girls dyan, no, or mga boys, mahilig tayong maghilamos. Tama? So, pag naghilamos tayo, we need a facial wash. Kailangan natin ng facial wash. Ayan. Ayan po yung itsura niya sa loob. Puti. Okay? Ang ganda niya. And ang kulay niya actually ay ito, sa lalagyan is pink. Yan, pink ang lalagyan niya. Ganon po yan. So, this product is formulated in Japan. Okay? Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Buksan natin kasi ito ginagamit ko na guys. Ayan po siya. Medyo malapot, no? Pero sobrang bango niya. Grabe, ang bango-bango niya, guys. Ayan, oh. So, ayan. So, eto, pag naghihilamos ka, eto yung gagamitin mo. Tong pink na to, okay? Yan. Eto yung pink pag naghihilamos, guys. Okay? After mong maghilamos, of course, kailangan mo ng cream sa mukha mo. No? Kailangan mo ng cream. So, eto naman yung advanced moisturizing cream. After mong maghilamos, eto naman siya. Ayan. Okay, so after mo maghilamos, ito ilalagay mo sa mukha mo. Yan, purple naman yung lalagyan niya. Then, ito naman ang laman niya sa loob. Ayan, puti naman siya. Yung kanina medyo dirty white ang color. Ito naman is white. Ayan, ito yung ilalagay mo sa mukha mo pagkatapos mong gamitin yung facial wash. Okay? So, ito naman, babad na sa mukha. Ibababad mo na siya, hindi mo na siya, of course, pag naghihilamos ka, gagamitin mo yung facial wash, and then babad ng few minutes, let's say, how many minutes dito nakalagay? Okay, ano ba yan? So, eto, nakalagay dito, ito, gently mo lang pala to gagamitin, okay? Pag naghihilamos ka, no, then, babanlawan mo na, after mo magbanlaw, eto na yung, moisturizing cream na ibababad mo sa mukha mo, then hindi ka na magbabanlaw. So, ibabad mo na siya. Ganyan po siya. Okay? So, meron din naman tayong mask. Okay, na talagang ibabad mo ng 15 to 20 minutes, no, sa mukha mo. Ito naman ay gagamitin mo ng 3 beses, 3 or 4 na beses sa isang linggo. Ito naman guys, yung aming facial mask. Cooling mask namin. Okay? So, eto naman siya, guys. Ganyan. Maliit lang siya. No? Siyempre, no, pag bumili ka, mapansin mo, pag bumili ka ng mga facial mask ngayon, maliit lang talaga. Then, ang itsura naman niya, guys, sa loob, eto naman siya. Medyo dirty white din naman. Ayan. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung laman. Ayan. Okay? So, medyo maano siya. Malapot din siya na kulay niya is puti, dirty white na medyo meron siyang mga I don't know how to say to you, but ano talaga siya, malapot. Then ito yung ibababad mo sa mukha mo ng 15 to 20 minutes. no? Kapag nababad mo na ito sa mukha mo, guys, hindi po ito didikit, no? Sa damit mo or sa unan. Kasi na-try na po namin, okay? Ipapakita ko din po sa inyo yung demo nito later. No, ngayon, in-explain ko, pinapakita ko po sa inyo yung products at i-explain ko po sa inyo all about the fresh tea. Okay? So, ito po yung ginagamit ko ngayon kasi organic po siya, nature-based. Hindi po ako gumagamit ng chemical sa muka. Okay? So, as you can see, 40 years old pero maganda pa rin, no? Kumbaga, I looks younger than my age, no? Kasi hindi talaga ako magamit ng nakakasunog sa mukha or mga chemicals, no? I don't like that one, no? Maarte po ako, guys. And of course, ayan, explain ko na sa inyo one by one. So, ano nga ba yung aming facial wash? Okay, nakita nyo naman guys na pinost ko yan sa FB about our facial wash, tama? Okay. So, ito pong ating facial wash. Ito, cleanse and tone. Okay, cleanse and tone. Then, ito pong ating moisturizer, hydrate and protect. And then we have the mask, heal and boost. Okay? And cleanse, facial wash will cleanse and then protect your beauty for the moisturizing cream. And we have the mask to boost. Okay? Ayan po yung ating products na Fereshte Beauty. And then, itong ating, itong pore minimizing facial wash, you're going to use this twice daily. 2 times daily. Okay? And then, for the advanced moisturizing cream naman, okay, 2 times daily din. So, 2 beses sa isang araw. And then, this one is 3 times a week lang. Okay? 3 beses lang sa isang linggo yung mask namin. Okay? So, ano nga ba, no, yung ating Fereshte Beauty? Guys, kaya ko sinishare ito sa inyo kasi I've been tested, no? I've been using this one right now. So, tried ko talaga siya. Then, we're going to read about it, okay? About the Fereshte Beauty here. Okay. So, I posted already the link, no? For more information about our website. So, we have the website if you want to see the website of this product. Even if you are not yet a part of this company or if you only want to buy, gusto mo lang bumili, so you can check the website there, no? Nilagay ko po yan sa aking post, no? Andyan po yung website niya, which is the https:// no? moreinfo.greenchoice.com. So, yan po yung website ng company. So, we also have the website of Fereshte Beauty, which is the fereshtabeauty.com. So, makikita nyo po dyan, no? Yung about sa product. When you click that one on the link that I posted in front of my Facebook. And then, we also have the YouTube, no? The award of this product in YouTube channel. Makikita nyo, nandyan din po yan nakapost sa aking timeline. Okay, about this product. We get the Okada Women's Award for this kind of beauty product. No, ayan, nasa gilid ko. Kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng i-hold. Okay. So, for talaga, it's so effective. The best product I can guarantee. Okay. Recommend and share this to a lot of people. No, as many as I can because, okay, it's proven and tested. Okay, by me and some of the women that are using this one right now. No, mabango na, maganda pa sa skin, smooth pa, malambot yung skin mo, okay? And I'm one of the user and customer of this product. Okay, sinishare ko sa inyo. And you better to try it now. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you that Fereste Beauty Skincare, okay, I wanna congratulate, the company for having this exclusive only for this company that you can see this kind of product, okay. First award and also featured in magazine, okay, we have in magazine, Crystal's International Women's Awards during last 2022 year, okay. And we have the Eco and Green Choice International Incorporated Outstanding Startup Innovative MLM Company of the Year empowered by women, okay, who made a difference in this was held in Okada, Manila. So we got this this award, okay? So guys, for this, the owner or Madame Franelyn Barroso says, okay, what she says, behind every successful one is a tribe of other successful people who have her back. So, the owner of this company and I are both pretty, okay, magaganda, okay, and we are slim and sexy, no, payatot, no, at maganda, sexy, okay. Being surrounded by great, smart, hardworking, positive, professional people will help you build your dream into reality. Trust your heart and work hard in silence. Okay? So, I'm sharing this to you because, our products is organic and nature-based. That is why our company named by Eco. We are eco-friendly. So we have the ecosystem. We are saving the planet Earth because we don't use product na nakakasira sa ating Mother Earth or sa ating kalikasan. So most of our products ay hindi po nakakasira ng ating Mother Earth or ating kalikasan. Those are the products of the Green Choice, okay? Here, let your success be your noise, okay? As you can see, the owner of the company is already successful, and so with the partners, successful na po sila. Itong may-ari ng company ay hindi lang po ito ang negosyo, okay? They have apartments, they have hotels, they have a resort, they have different businesses in another country, because the wife is Filipina and the husband is from Switzerland. Okay, that is the background of the owner of our company, and we have a company, we have the office in EDSA, which is the fully licensed, and all the documents or all the licenses or all the permits is already there, and we don't share our products na wala kaming lisensya. We share our products that it is fully licensed from the company, and as you can see, sa custom pa lang na products na pinapasok ng Pilipinas ay sobrang mahal po ang bayad niyan, okay? And we have like 18 sheets, for each of the product, or how many sheets, that na kailangan ng ating gobyerno. So hindi po pwedeng ipasok ang ating produkto ng walang papeles. It's very strict when it comes to negosyo, As you can see, na pinapasok dito sa bansa natin, lalo pag sa ibang bansa, masyado po yang mabusisi. Okay? So ma-question tayo, maban pa yung ating mga produkto. So kailangan po ay may mga papeles po yan, guys. Okay? Then about our product, the Fereste Beauty Skincare, Fereste Beauty has established its name in this industry as a reliable expert in skincare and beauty as she grew her business from innovation to product efficiency with her consistency in delivering results. Okay? So we have the Pure Minimizer Facial Wash, which is the 100 ml. Okay? So, babasahin ko na sa inyo, guys. Makinig po kayo kung ano po yung facial wash namin, na sa aming company. So, this is a salicylic acid, okay? Have, of course, kojic acid dipalmitate and glycolic acid. Mamaya, babasahin ko ulit yung nandun sa box niya. Okay? So, ano nga ba siya? So, ano yung nagagawa ng facial wash natin? Ano yung nagagawa niya? Okay? It deep cleanses, no? To remove excess oil. Ayan, yung mga oily ang mga mukha nyo. Yung mga mukha nyo, no? Mga oily yung mga mukha nyo. Pansinin nyo yan. Fights acne. Okay, yung may mga acne dyan, no? Prevents blackheads and whiteheads. So, tinatanggal niya yung blackheads and whiteheads sa mukha mo. So, as you can see, no? Pag malapitan niya mukha ko, no? Ayan. Okay. Then, helps tighten pores while visibly smoothens and brightens the skin. Okay? For minimize facial wash with the glycolic acid, anti-aging. So, ayan nga, we looks younger than our age kasi ang ginagamit namin is for anti-aging. Okay? Hyperpigmentation, dryness, and acne. Okay? Kojic acid delpalmitate. Okay? Even toning the skin, fighting age spots, okay? Freckles, skin general, pigmentation disorder. So, ayan, nakakabata talaga siya ng looks. Okay? And it has a lactic acid, treat hypigmentation, age spots. Yan. Rosemary leaves extract. So, meron siyang rosemary. Alam nyo, isa sa magandang plants or herbal ay rosemary. Okay? Reduce swelling and puffiness of skin. Okay? Salicylic acid, okay? Helps to purify and exfoliate, helps remove dirt, mga dumi ng mukha mo, bacteria, and green, helps fight acne. Okay, ayan. Ito na guys, no? Nakakapagpabata. Okay? Nakakalinis ng ating mga mukha. Ito siya. Ito po yung ini-explain ko sa inyo na facial wash. Okay. Ayan. So, next, we have the Advanced Moisturizing Cream. So, meron tayong Advanced Moisturizing Cream, guys. Okay? So, ayan. And we have the Advanced Moisturizing Cream here. Here. Ayan po siya. So, eto naman po yung i-explain ko sa inyo, no, about the, ano yung benefits or ingredients niya. Okay? Advanced Moisturizing Cream, meron po siyang SPF 50. So, most especially, mahilig tayong magpa-araw, no? Kung may mga meetings o may mga trabaho, mahilig po kayong magpa-araw, ayan, no? Lalo mga construction workers, no? Mga kalalakihan, guys, no? I-protect nyo po yung skin nyo sa araw. So, ito po yun, isa sa meron po siyang SPF 50. Ayan, so, 100 ml also. Okay, ayan, 100 ml siya, guys. And hyaluronic acid. Kaya yan, ang hirap na i-mention. Niacinamide and ceramide. Yan. So, a light, non-greasy formula that provides protection while hydrating the skin. Okay? Boost collagen production. Ayan, may collagen din po siya. To reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. So, nakakabata din siya, guys, no? Nakakabata siya, at the same time, nakaka-reduce ng wrinkles. Napansin ko po yan, life begins at 40, dyan nagsisimula yung mga wrinkles natin. Meron na din po akong wrinkles, pero tatanggalin po ng produktong ito yung wrinkles ko sa mukha ko. Okay? Then, Advanced Moisturizing Cream, hyaluronic acid, okay? Reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin. Okay? And niacinamide also, ito naman yung clear complexion, fights off harmful stressors, hydration, lessens irritation. Okay? Yung mga, ito naman yung mga sensitive skin. So, pwede po yung mga sensitive skin dito, no? Pwede po siya sa all types of skin actually. So, ayan. So, we have the aloe vera extract, okay? So, anti-inflammatory, reduce pain, swelling, and soreness. supports the production release of collagen. Okay? Speed up healing time and limits scarring. Ito namang, paano ba to basahin? Licorice or I think it's licorice extract. Yan, sorry guys. Removes excess melanin. Okay, yan. Brightens the skin, treat hyperpigmentation, age spots. And then we have the ceramide, which helps create a barrier to prevent permeability. So, ayan. So, yun yung explanations ng ating moisturizing cream, no, na binababad sa ating mga muka. So, meron po siyang collagen. Okay? Nakakapagpaganda. Okay? Then, we have the exfoliating cooling mask, which is the 50 ml only. So, 50 ml lang po siya. Okay? Maliit lang. And here, I'm gonna explain to you bentonite powder. Ayan, meron siya. Hyaluronic acid also. And snail mucin. Okay? Absorbs oil, dirt. So, yan. Ito yung binababad sa muka, guys, ng 15 to 20 minutes, no? 3 times a week. So, ito yung binababad sa muka, no? Absorbs oil, dirt, no? Mga dumi, no? Mga oily na mga muka. Maganda to sa inyo. And impurities to help manage dry skin. So, yun po yung mga dry, no? Mga tuyo, no? Mga, kung oily ang skin mo, no? Hini-help niya na i-dry yung skin mo. Kung sobrang oily na siya. Okay? And prevents breakout. No? Napansin nyo yung skin natin, no? Yung skin ng iba, mapapansin nyo, para siyang may break, no? No? Sa mga skin, I don't know how to explain, but I saw some faces like that. Okay? Then, also, here, provides gentle exfoliation while soothing the skin. Exfoliating cooling mask, snail mucin. Yan siya, no? Sa snail mucin naman, helps improve skin texture, okay? Tone hyperpigmentation and scars. So, yung may mga scars sa mga muka, hinihil po nitong cooling mask namin. Snail slime also has anti-aging properties, nakakabata, that can help reduce fine lines, no? And wrinkles again. Hyaluronic acid, okay, reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin. Okay, bentonite also treating acne breakouts, treating oily skin, reduces blemishes and dark spots. Okay, then we have the cucumber. Ayan, may cucumber din pala siya, guys. Ayan. So, cucumber niya, reduce swelling and puffiness, okay? Aids acne-prone skin, helps combat premature aging, then soothing irritations, provides a base for hydration, okay? So, if you are curious, you can send me a message, no? You can ask me about the products. So, magkano siya, guys? Okay, for the member, if you are already a member in our company, so that is only, dati po siyang almost 3,000%. Okay? And guess what? Magkano na lang po siya ngayon sa member? Sa member price, guys, ha? So, it is 840 pesos na lang po siya for 3 of these products. Okay? So, itong tatlong product na to, yan. Itong tatlo na to, guys, 840 na lang po siya. Okay? Sa member price po yan. No? Kapag hindi naman po member, no, 1,050 pesos for one set na po yan. Dating 3,000 yan, pero ngayon, nag-promo po yung company. Okay? Para ma-try nyo po siya. And sobrang bango niya, guys. Sobrang bango, kaya ito po yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Okay? And I'm gonna show you the box. We're going to read, no? Basahin natin yung box niya, guys. Okay, first, we're going to read it here. The Ferreste Beauty Pore Minimizer Facial Wash. Ito po siya, meron siyang salicylic acid, kojic acid, dipalmitate, glycolic acid, which is the 100 ml. Yan. Okay. 100 ml. Then, ayan na, binasa ko na to kanina, no? Deep cleanses to remove excess oil. Tinatanggal niya yung oily skin mo, okay? Fights acne, prevents blackheads and whiteheads, helps tighten pores while visibly smoothens and brightens the skin. Okay? How to use? Paano siya gamitin, guys? Okay? Wet the skin, basahin mo yung skin mo, mukha mo, and gently massage to your face with a small circular movement. Then, rinse thoroughly. Use every morning and evening. Okay? Circular motion po siya. Then, use mo every morning and evening. Okay? So, ito yung mga ingredients niya, guys. Babasahin ko yung mga ingredients. Okay? So, we have the water, hydroxyl ethyl acrylate, sodium acryloy, dimethyl taurate, copolymer, and isohexadecane, and polysorbate 60, diesel glucoside, cucobutane, glycerin, niacinamide, glycolic acid, kojic acid, dipalmitate, lactic acid, salvia rosmarinus leaf extract, and cyclopentasiloxane, hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid, and phenoxyethanol. Ayan, yan yung mga ingredients ng ating facial wash. And this is manufactured by our company and our beauty, cosmetics, and skincare products. So, our office now is in EDSA. So, andyan siya sa Quezon City, no? Mandaluyong, sorry. Ayan, malapit lang po siya sa Ortigas, yung office namin. Okay? Next, we're going to read the other one, which is the next is we have the Advanced Moisturizing Cream SPF 50. So, ito po yung meron siyang sun blocker. Okay? Kung maaraw, ayan, mainit, no? Pwede po itong gamitin. Okay? Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramide, 100 ml. So, 100 ml po siya. Guys, ayan. So, a light, non-greasy formula that provides protection, okay, while hydrating the skin, boosts collagen production to reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Ayan. So, how to use naman siya? Okay, put enough amount of on fingertips, no? After mong gumamit ng facial wash, eto na po yung ilalagay mo. Maglagay ka ng konti sa kamay mo and then gently massage on the face using a small upward circular motion, no? Paikot din po siya. Of course, use every morning and evening. So, umaga at gabi, guys. Okay? So, ano yung mga ingredients niya? Water, hydroxyl ethyl acrylate, sodium acryloid, dimethyl taurate, copolymer, and isohexadecane, and polysorbate 60. Glycerin, titanium dioxide, aloe barbadensis extract, okay, niacinamide, glycyrrhiza glabra extract, ayan, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, dimethicone or capric, triglyceride, ceramide AP, allantoin, phenoxyethanol. Ayan, sinasabi ko po yan sa inyo kasi meron pong mga iba na nagtatanong ano yung mga ingredients, okay? And then the last, also we have the mask. So we also have our Ferreste Beauty Exfoliating Cooling Mask. Okay? So, eto naman siya, meron siyang bentonite powder, hyaluronic acid, and snail mucin. So, we're going to read it here. Absorb oil, dirt, and impurities to help manage dry skin and prevents breakout, provides gentle exfoliation while soothing the skin, and also how to use this one. Okay, put enough amount of clay mask on your fingertips and apply it on the face evenly. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And wash thoroughly. So, ako nga guys, binababad ko nga ito ng buong magdamag eh. Wala naman siyang side effect kasi nga it's organic, no? And you can use this 3 to 4 times a week after cleansing. Okay? Pagkatapos yung maghilamos, no, bago kayo matulog, pwede nyo gamitin ito, no, ibabad nyo sa mukha nyo ng 15 to 20 minutes, no, pagtapos niyan, pwede nyo nang hilamusan. And believe it or not, napakaganda niya sa skin. Sa skin, malambot yung skin nyo after nyo gamitin itong cooling mask. Ano yung mga ingredients? Eto na naman tayo. So, magtatanong sila, eto ay deionized water, hydroxyl ethyl, okay, acrylate, sodium acryloidimethyl taurate, copolymer, and isohexadecane, and polysorbate 60, choline clay, hydrated magnesium, silicate, inducus, aloe barbadensis extract, snail mucin, fragrance, hyaluronic acid, menthol crystal, titanium dioxide, and phenoxyl ethanol then also. So, this is exclusive only for the EGC office. So, you can only buy this in our office and you cannot see this to other company. Only exclusive for our company. Okay? So, ayan guys, no, yung gustong mag-try, no, hindi pa ako nagsisinungaling. Once na sinabi ko, no, na mabango siya at maganda sa skin, ayan, i-try nyo na din. Okay? Kasi ginagamit ko po siya. Okay? Kasi nga, organic siya and 100% siya na nature talaga, no, na hindi nakakasira. And this is for all types of skin, guys, that can use by men and women. So, pwede siyang panlalaki at pambabae. Pwede din po siya sa 13 years old and above. So, mga teenagers, ayan, pwede din po siya. Okay? Pwede siya sa mga teenagers, guys. So, pwede sa mga kabataan, sa mga anak nyo, no? Mga pamangkin, ayan, pwede po siya. So, ganyan po yung, ganyan po siya ka-useful. Ayan. Napakaganda ng products, mura na siya at matagal yung gagamitin kasi 100 ml po yung facial wash and moisturizing cream and 50 ml naman yung ating cooling mask. Okay? Ayan siya, ganyan. Matagal po siyang gamitin, guys. So, kung gusto nyo pong umorder, ayan, may Facebook po ako. You can send a message in my messenger or in my page, no, meron po akong page for the Eco and Green Choice products, guys. May page po ako. And you can send a message there. And we can do a Lala Move in around Manila area. And for the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao provinces, we can send it through LBC or I'm gonna try the GNT kasi usually I'm sending it to LBC or R21 kasi mas malapit siya dito sa bahay ko. Okay, so I can send it to you. But for the Manila area or somewhere here in Cavite, you can we can book it through Lala Move. Okay, Lala Move. Mas mabilis siya. Magkano lang naman ang Lala Move? So, more or less 100 or 100 plus, no? Pag medyo malayo, guys. Okay? So, ayan. So, for the for non-member is 1,050 and for the members is 840. So, ika-clarify ko lang po kung magkano po talaga yung price for the non-member. Okay? FYI. Okay? For your information. But, of course, as you can see, I bought this in the company. It's very proven, no? 2 sets yung binili ko, no? Kasi may bibili na po ng isang set and one is for me. Ayan. As you can see, no? Isang set ay 840 and for the 2 sets is 1,680, guys. Okay, so ayan po. Ang price niya, pinakita ko sa inyo. But this is only for the members only. Pag non-member ka, medyo may additional nga lang, may dagdag kung non-member ka. But if you want to become a member, mura lang din po, no? 999 pesos only for the non-member. Okay? Pag nagpa-member ka. But the products po ay hindi po yan ang ibibigay. So, ang ibibigay po na products kapag nagpa-member ka is this one. The Power Peel. Okay, we have the Power Peel. This one is, can use to save a gasoline, diesel, kerosene, no, if you are using this in your, to all types of cars, no, pwede po siya sa lahat. Pwede po siya sa 4 wheels, pwede sa motorcycles, tricycles, no, and ship, no, mga pwede po siyang mga bangka na may motor. Lahat po ng ginagamitan po ng gasolina, pwede po siya, okay? And can also use to generators. Okay? Pwede po siya para makapag-save po kayo. No, ang mahal na po ng gasolina. Everyday na lang po nanonood ako ng balita, no, sa pagtaas ng gasolina, taas ng gasolina. So, kawawa naman po yung ating mga drivers dyan. So, ito po yung ibibigay sa inyo kapag nagpa-member. But if you want to try our beauty products, iba po ang price ng aming beauty products, guys. Okay? So, these are the explanations, no, for the Ferrashte Beauty, guys, no. Ayan. So, naka-reserve din yung isa and one is mine. And if you want to order, you can just send me a message, no. Paunahan na lang. Marami, don't worry. Marami po tayong stocks. And I will be there in our office tomorrow to meet the African leaders who will visit the Philippines, no? All the way from Africa pa sila. They will come here in Manila to visit our main office here in EDSA, no? Para ma-meet ko naman yung mga leaders, no? I've been here in this company for 2 years already and all the products are very maganda. It's proven and tested talaga. Okay? So, it's been 2 years, no, na ginagamit yung mga products namin. And so far, so good naman, no? Talagang maganda ang result. Okay? So, if you want to check for our company, just send me a message, guys, no? To all the near in our office. So, ang office po namin ay nasa harap ng People's Power Monument ng Camp Aguinaldo. Sa harap po siya, sa kabilang side. Okay? So, it is between, sa gitna, okay? Between the Ortigas and also the Santolan Station. So, nasa gitna po yung office namin. So, if you want to go to the office, again, no, nasa harap po siya ng People's Power Monument of Camp Aguinaldo, sa kabilang side, sa gitna ng Ortigas and Santolan Station. If you can see those cars for sale na binibentang mga sasakyan, and you can see the Petron there. So beside there's a buildings, no, Land Bank, and beside is the Eco and Green Choice International Incorporated. Makikita nyo malaking karatula, no, na nakalagay Green Choice. Yan po yung office namin. Nasa gilid lang po siya ng highway, at sana nga, no, nabalitaan namin na i-open na daw again yung bus stop, no? Doon kasi may bus stop talaga sa harap ng office namin, guys, no? So, dati nag-ooperate. Sana nga, guys, maibalik yung ganon, yung bus stop, no? But for now, if you want to go to the office, no, from Ortigas or either Santolan Station, you can take a walk, or pag hindi mainit. Pero pag mainit, you can take the Grab, no? The habal-habal or mga taxi, no, going to our office pag tamad po kayo maglakad. But for me, no, mahilig po akong bumaba ng Santolan Station and then nilalakad ko lang po yan going to office, lalo pag wala pong araw. Exercise din po yun sa akin, no? And since tapos na po yung flyers, ayan na po yung gagawin ko. I'm going to give the flyers to people, no? Kasi every time naglalakad po ako dyan, no? Going to office, no? Ang dami pong napapangiti, no? Na mga friends, ayan, pwede natin silang i-invite doon sa office natin, no? Para i-check, guys, yung office namin at i-check yung mga products namin sa opisina namin, no? Ayan, guys, so sinishare ko po siya sa inyo to kasi ito po yung negosyo, ito yung business, no? Na sobrang mura. Okay? 999 pesos, you can start your own business. No? Most especially, ang flagship ng aming products ngayon ay puro po pang lalaki. No? Puro sa mga drivers, guys, no? We have the Car Peel, we have the Power Peel Plus, and we have the Power Peel Plus Micro. Okay? These are the same. So, ayan, remembrance ko po yan kasi this is from another country, no? And Manila. Ayan, meron pa rin po siyang stock sa office nitong Car Peel, no? If you want to buy, ayan, affordable ng mga drivers ito. Ayan, eto. Guys, marami po kaming mga drivers or mga president ng transportation, no? Na talagang bumili na ng maraming Power Peel sa office, no? Yun po mga president ng transportation that they already tried, it's proven and tested na sa kanila, no, na-try na nila, no, sa mga sasakyan, guys, bumibili po sila ng marami. Okay? So, eto naman pong Power Peel, I can explain to you, no, later na, no, para separate, para hindi crowded yung aking live. So, this live today is only for Ferreste product. So, if you want to buy, guys, no, bumili na kayo, papalalamove ko po ito sa inyo. Okay? So, ayan. Manila area, you can buy, sa lalamove na lang isi-send, no, pag Manila area. So, that is only 100 plus lang naman yung shipment. Or, you can message me, no, pwedeng, you can pay from me, and then, yung Manila area, since Manila pala yung office natin, no, you can just pay, okay, or, it depends, if you want to pay sa akin, okay lang, but, if you want na, kung sigurista ka, you want to make sure, no, I can send you the, BDO account of our office, you can pay, then they will send it to you through Lalamove sa Manila area pala, mas malapit. Okay? Because our office is located at EDSA. Okay? Kung Manila area ka, okay, just message me and then I can send you the BDO account of our office. You can send your payment there, okay, for the Ferreste product, then they will send it through Lalamove. Okay, guys, ganyan po siya kadali. Okay, then, ayan, pwede din po sa akin. So, pag Cavite area naman, guys, I'm going to buy again at the office, and I can send through Lalamove, no, pag Cavite area is malapit po siya sa akin. Okay, pag Cavite area. Pag Manila naman, will be in our office. I can send to you. Okay? But if you are talagang, if you want to make sure, or if you want to see the office, no problem. No, you can go there. I will be there tomorrow to meet the African leaders, no? All the way from Cape Town, South Africa. They are going to visit our main office here in Manila. Okay? I will be there. You can see tomorrow. Maybe I'm going to do my live again. If strong yung signal sa office, no? Kaya hindi ako masyado, sometimes kasi, guys, no, of course I'm using my data, and then hindi siya pumapasok, no, pag nagla-live ako, masyado siyang mahina. So that is why napansin niyo, nagpo-post na lang ako ng video later na. Okay? Then busy din kami doon about the meetings, no? About the products, of course, no? Busy din kami doon, pictures, no? So, ayan, pwede din po kayo, since mahilig naman kayo sa social media, you can visit our company, no? Then, be a part of this company, no? Maging affiliate ka, no? Makamasa po ito, 999 pesos lang po pa-member dito, may products ka na. Okay? So, ang dami, yung mga hindi pa nakakabawi, dyan dito kayo bumawi, guys. No? Kasi 2 years na po ako. No? 2 years na po ako hindi nagpapaskam. Sorry to say. Ayan. Ayan, dito na ako sa siguro. At sigurong talagang may lisensya. Okay? Hindi po ako nag-share ng negosyong walang lisensya. Sorry, guys, no? I've been in different companies. Wag nyo na po akong i-invite. Hindi ko na po need yan. Alam nyo naman yung nangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. I'm super blessed, no? Then, ayan, guys, no? Thank you for watching. I think we reached already the 1 hour right now. I'm gonna check. Okay, may 44 minutes pa lang pala. So, we're going to reach the 1 hour. Okay? Ayan, guys. So, formulated in Japan. Okay? And it is, and this one is manufactured for our Eco and Green Choice International Incorporated company, no? Exclusive for the affiliate or members only. If you wanna try, then you can buy, no, right now. You can buy, go to office, or you can buy from me. Ayan. Hindi na ako gumamit ng lights ko kasi nga, mas maganda yung medyo morena yung beauty ko. Ayan. Yan, morena ang skin. Kasi pag may lights, parang nakikita masyado yung ano. So, mas okay na yung ganyan, guys. Ayan guys, so pwede nyo pong i-share yung aking video sa mga friends nyo. Most especially sa mga girls who wants to use our Foreste Beauty. Ayan, pwede nyo pong i-share guys. Okay? Keep on sharing my live para mapanood ng mga gustong mag-start ng business at the amount of 999 pesos only guys. If you want to be, para makakuha kayo ng discount. Kasi pag member ka, may discount talaga, no? Ayan. Sa mga member, 840 pesos. Pag non-member, 1,000. So, meaning, meron kang 210, I think. Kasi pag 1,050 minus 840, tama ba? Ayan, guys. Meron pa ba tayong additional for the Foreste Beauty? Ayan guys, no? If you want to see, ayan, pakita ko pala using my iPad. If you want to see the website of foreste.com, ayan. Pakita ko po sa inyo. I'm opening it right now. Mabagal yung internet ay mag-open. Okay, dito na lang tayo sa YouTube. We're going to YouTube for the awarding of this beauty, Foreste Beauty. Ayan, nag-open siya. Ayan guys, manood tayo. This is for the company. Ito yung pag-open ng office. Cutting of ribbon. Ayan. Ayan yung office namin, guys. Ayun, no, napanood nyo. Yun yung opening ng office namin, yung cutting of ribbon, no, 2 years ago. Yan. So, Ayan, pag naman guys, if you want to open your, if you want to see the website, no, of our company, so you can click, no, the moreinfo.greenchoice.com. Ayan po ang lumalabas. Ayan. Okay? If you are not yet a member, okay? Then you can see the awards here. Makikita mo yung awards, and then you can see the international certifications include, no, from the LTO, Land Transportation Office, because we have a product for the mga all types of cars. Okay? So we have the mission and vision. So ano yung mission ng company, guys, no? We are here to serve you with unique, sustainable, environment friendly, and outstanding problem-solving products of highest quality in the market. And for the vision, we envision a world where every product, okay, we create not only solves problems, okay, for our customers, but also contributes to the preservation of our planet, because there is no planet B. And we have here, if you can see in the link of our company, the website, if you want to click there, no, you can also see the upcoming products, no, na mga health and wellness naman. Dati kasi, yung company natin, we have the, for mga sasakyan, we have the beauty products, no, we have the electric, no, we have the light-saving bulb, no, yung ilaw, nakaka-save ng 90% for your Meralco bill. Then, or electric bill mo, then we have the upcoming also for the health and wellness, no, na unbeatable, no. Grabe itong products na to. Excited talaga ako. So I've been in office, no, and we had a meeting, no, makita namin, no, nung nakita namin, we cannot say, no, guys, na talagang makakagamot siya, no, ng mga sakit. But it is really, real, no, na nakita. Kasi yung may-ari ng company, he's been in the company, no, in the factory of these health and wellness products, no, ng ating gamot. So this gamot will be here soon, no, in our office. We cannot promise you guys, no, na talagang 100% siya, pero paanong gagawin natin? Talagang nakakagamot eh. Nakakagamot po talaga siya, no, ng all types of sakit. Most especially, no, yung mga cancer na mga final stage na, no, nagagamot niya. By taking this capsule, no, gagamutin niya talaga, guys, within a week, no, mag-i-start na talaga siya. So, sobrang helpful siya to all people, no. Mamaya ko na siya ipapakita kasi bawal pa, guys, no. Meron akong stock dito kasi just to see, no, the products, no, if you want. Later, guys, no, ipopost na namin kasi ngayon kailangan pa natin maayos, no, yung mga papeles niyan. Alam nyo naman, no, kailangan nating ayusin yung ating lisensya kasi fully licensed yung ating company. Okay? But excited, no? Excited talaga kami sa bagong produkto ng aming company, which is the health and wellness, na nakakagamot po talaga siya ng lahat ng uri ng sakit, no? The cancer, HIV, leukemia, the high blood, no? Lahat po ng sakit, guys, ay ginagamot niya. Okay? Ginagamot niya talaga. So, it's like sobrang dami ng mga testimonies, no, doon sa ibang bansa. So, this is from Thailand. Okay? This medicine is from Thailand, guys. So, abangan na lang natin, guys, no? Kapag yan, meron actually, meron na po kaming pinatry, no, na testimony. Soon, malalaman nyo na lang yan, lalabas na lang yan sa social media. Okay? So, abangan nyo, guys, no, yung bagong produkto ng ating company, no, na makakatulong sa lahat ng nangangailangan, no. Affordable pa naman siya. Kaya nyo siya. No, health is wealth. So, remember that. So, hindi ko lang siya pwedeng i-post ngayon. But actually, if you are a member already, you can see it in your dashboard. So, it's there already. So, how many minutes na ba tayo? Oh, by the way, guys, meron pala akong isisingit, no? Ayan, close na po yung ating gold, no? So, we are going to do our live, no? Ayan, yung mga sumali, no, mga participants ko doon sa pag-join ng gold ko, guys, no, abangan nyo po, magra-raffle draw na po tayo ng gold kapag paid na po lahat ng participants na sumali. Okay, so, payment na lang po ang hinihintay ko kapag bayad na lahat, no? Ready to get the alahas from my friends, sa supplier ko. Then we're going to do our raffle draw. Live po yan on Facebook. Okay, abangan nyo po yan, no? Good luck po to all the participants yung nag-avail ng 1 to 100 numbers, no? Nag-avail po sila. Each number is only 50 pesos. Ang mapapanalunan mo po dyan, guys, ay 1 carat of 18K Saudi gold. That is 4,000 pesos na po yan ngayon. Kapag nanalo ka, congratulations. But of course, no, lahat ng mga participants, they already knows how I'm doing my live, no? I'm doing my raffle draw, no, to people, no? Every raffle draw ko, guys, no, meron po talagang nananalo. Okay, iba-iba po yun nag-join dyan, no? Then, abangan nyo po yan, guys, no? Malapit na po talagang ma-fully paid, no? Pag fully paid na po yan, then, kunin na po natin yung alahas. And then, we're going to do our raffle draw in Facebook. And then, meron na po akong naka-line. So, next is my lipstick. Ayan, yung lipstick ko, guys, na ito po ay nakapost na rin po sa Facebook kung sino yung mga viewers ko, mga followers ko, okay, na gustong mag-join. Okay, pwede po kayong mag-message doon, mag-comment lang kayo doon sa post ko na lipstick, 5 piraso po yan, no? Ang gumagamit po niyan yung iba, mga beauty queens, ayan, no? Dating nag-join ng Miss Universe, alam mo yung mga ganyan, no? Pang beauty talaga, guys, no? So, mag-join na kayo para mag-close na tayo, guys, and then mag-raffle draw kasi andito lang po siya sa akin sa bahay, naka-ready na po yan, no? Pag sino naman yung mananalo, isi-send po natin yan sa'yo, okay? Pwede po natin yan i-send agad. Do Manila area is on Cavite is through Lalamove lang po yan. Madali lang siya, guys. Okay? So, ayan. Mag-join na po kayo. Message lang po kayo dyan. Mag-comment po kayo. And then, ayan. Thank you nga po pala, no? Thank you very much po, no? Guys, no? Sa lahat ng nag-follow sa akin. And guys, no, meron pa ako ipapakita sa inyo kasi hindi ko na din po siya nagagamit, no. Depende na po yan sa inyo if you want these shoes, okay? Sa mga size 5 lang po ito, okay? Na mga bata, mga kabataan. Kung gusto nyo pong kunin ito, pwede po, no, mag-usap tayo, PM nyo ako sa Messenger to all of my followers out there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the shoes right now. I'm going to give you free kasi gamit ko na po siya. Okay, I'm gonna give this to you sa mga kabataan. Okay, size 5 po siya. Okay? Medyo siguro kung 5 na medyo mataba, okay? Okay, kasya siya. Okay? Wait lang po at actually naka-ready na po ito, no? Muntik ko na siyang makalimutan, sorry to say. Ayan. So, and guys, papakita ko po sa inyo one by one yung shoes na ibibigay ko for free. No, sorry, at gamit ko na po siya, pero pwede pa po siyang gamitin, guys, okay? So, mga malapit lang po, like Cavite area, please, no? Message me so you can get this one, and then I'm gonna give you this for free. Okay? Free lang po ito, guys. So, sana, yung Cavite area, madali lang po to sa Lalamove, no? I can send it through Lalamove. So, ayan, sinasabi ko naman sa inyo, guys, starting right now, mamimigay na po ako ng mga gamit ko. Kaya hindi ko na po siya gagamitin, guys. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po ito, okay? Pagpasensyahan nyo na po, guys, paki-screenshots and paki-message ako kung sino yung unang magko-comment sa aking live, no, ngayon. And I'm going to give this all the shoes, no? For pairs of shoes, lahat ng kulay sa inyo na po. Sa mga kabataan, most especially dun sa mga mahihirap, guys, no? Alam ko naman na somewhere, no, dito, maraming mahirap. Kung sino po sa inyo dyan ang nakakaalam na kailangan nyo pa po ito kasi magagamit pa ng mga, yung iba dyan, no? Yung can't afford talaga, guys, no? Paki-message po ako. Pwede po nating isend ito. Isend nyo lang po yung address sa akin, guys, no? name, address, and number. Pwede po natin itong isend sa Lalamove, guys. And then, ibibigay ko ito ng libre sa inyo. Free po ito, ha? Free lang po ito. Kasi mag-start na po tayo mamigay ng mga gamit ko. Mga damit ko, ang dami sa taas. Magugulat kayo, sobra. No? Kasi tinatanong ko naman yung aking mga pamangkin. Pag ayaw nila, ibibigay ko na lang. No? Mga pambahay, guys, mamimigay tayo. No, for free. So, ayan. Paki-share, no? Paki-share and follow my Facebook. Yan kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng blessings. I'm going to share my blessings. No, alam nyo naman, paalis na ako ng USA. So, paalis ako ng USA, hindi ko magagamit lahat ng gamit ko dito kasi konti lang dadaling ko, like 1 bag, and then isha-shopping ako ng asawa ko doon. Then, I'm going to give these things, no, sa mga taong nag-follow sa akin, guys. Please follow me and share my Facebook to people, no, as many as you can. Thank you very much. We're going to give away, no, some of my clothes, no, some of my things, mga accessories ko, some of my bags that already used. Sorry, no, kasi gamit ko na siya, but still can use, no, mga second hand, papamigay. Guys, eto na po, no, hindi ko pa siya nalilinisan, but you share, please share, no, please share my Facebook, and please follow. Please follow, do a screenshot, send me a message. Guys, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sinong mauna na mag-message sa akin, sa kanya na po itong mga shoes na to, flat shoes na gamit ko, sorry ha, gamit ko na siya, and then pwede po itong gamitin ng mga kabataan na can't afford to buy, na mahihirap, pwede po. Ipapalalamove ko po yan, alam ko somewhere here in Cavite, maraming ganun, kay mahirap. No, lalo pag mga nakatira sa mga gilid ng dagat, no, mangingisda. Guys, I've been there. Nakita ko po yan, okay? So, please share my Facebook, then comment to my Facebook Live, comment there, and share this to people who wants to get this one, and I'm gonna send it through Lalamove for free. Okay? Cavite area, guys, and even Manila area. Okay, eto na po siya. Papamigay ko sa inyo, guys, no? How many pairs of shoes po siya? Eto. Ayan. White. Okay, guys, white. Medyo nag-crack lang siya ng konti kasi nga nababad siya, guys, hindi nagagamit. Red. Sorry, ha. Medyo nag-crack siya. Yellow. Brown. Gray. Green. Ayan, guys, that is all for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, may black pa. I think I have a black there, no? Hanapin ko. It's either 6 or 7 pairs of shoes. I already used that one. Sorry if nagamit ko na siya, guys. Later, mamimigay na naman tayo ng mga damit. Okay? So, damit ang ipapamigay natin. Please share this live to all the peoples you know na can't afford or walang yung mahirap, guys. Okay? So, share this. Then, this is all for free to you. And then, I would, at sana, no, kahit thankful lang, kahit one picture lang, once you receive these things of mine, no, na ipapamigay ko sa mga tao, no, guys, kahit isang picture lang, no, na i-post nyo, no, sa social media, okay, sa social media, i-post nyo yung mga binibigay ko sa inyo, then, of course, no, just be thankful, no, thank you, just like that, no, post nyo lang, or you can send the picture to my comment section, no, sa comment section, pwede nyong i-post dyan yung picture kung nahihiya kayo. I do understand, no, na yung iba talagang mahihiyain, but yung iba, no, talagang nagpapasalamat through social media, no, nagpo-post po sila. Thank you, yes. Achel, it's on process pa ang visa ko. Pina-process pa lang yung visa ko right now. So, coming soon, no? But few months pa, no? So, I'm still here in the Philippines, no? So, mostly nasa bahay lang ako kasi nga naghihintay na lang po ako ng aking US visa. So, US visa, it takes time, no? Kasi few months na siya, pero matagal talaga. Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko na may asawa na, a year talaga yung US visa na approved. Most of them, na tinanong ko, 1, 2, 3 of my friend, mostly are 1 year na approve yung mga visa nila. Kaya ako naman ay nasa half year pa lang. So, it's been how many months pa ako maghihintay. But let's see, no, kasi maybe daw, no, na more than half year, kung ma-approve, be thankful, but not, let's just wait, kasi ganun daw talaga. It is, ano lang talaga, nasa date lang talaga, then we're going to wait na lang kung kailan daw talaga siya darating doon sa office, no, doon sa US. Okay? So, ayan, everyday naman updated ako. Then, ayan guys, no, share. Please keep on sharing and follow me in my Facebook. Okay? Again, screenshot, then send me a message. Yeah, yung una na magsisend ng message sa akin, okay? Miss BLG, I want your shoes, no? Then, I can send it through Lalamove. Okay, Lalamove, guys. So, ayan, thank you very much for watching. We already reached the 1 hour. 1 hour lang po talaga tayo. Yeah, be patient. Sobrang pasensya ko talaga, guys. Kasi everyday kaming nag-uusap ng aking husband. And hindi na siya makapaghintay talaga. Kasi as you can see, binilhan pa ako ng bahay. Do, bumili siya ng bahay para sa aming dalawa. No? Kasi kami lang naman dalawang magkasama at saka dalawang aso sa bahay. Nakita nyo, binilhan ako ng naghihintay yung bahay sa akin. Who knows, no? Baka abutan pa ako. Kasi nga, inaayos pala yung bahay namin na bago. Okay? Ayan, I'm already married, guys. Okay, I'm already married. Engaged lang nakalagay, but I'm already married to American. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next live, no? Na mamimigay na naman tayo, guys. Abangan nyo yung live ko. Thank you very much. Share, no? Share. Follow me. Ayan, thank you very much. God bless us all. I love you all, guys. See ya. Bye.